Have you ever wondered what would happen if you decided to eat only fruits every single day? Let's dive into a fruity exploration and find out. First off, fruits are packed with essential vitamins and minerals. They're rich in vitamin C, potassium, and dietary fiber, which are crucial for maintaining your overall health. If I switched my diet to exclusively fruits, I'd definitely see a boost in my intake of these nutrients. Now let's talk antioxidants. Fruits like blueberries, strawberries, and plums are loaded with antioxidants that can help fight off oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. This means potentially lower risks of chronic diseases, such as heart disease and diabetes. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Eating only fruits can lead to some challenges. For instance, fruits are low in protein and fats, which are vital for muscle repair, hormonal balance, and overall energy levels. Without these, one might start feeling a bit lethargic or find it difficult to maintain muscle mass. What about sugar? Yes, fruits contain natural sugars. While these are healthier than processed sugars, consuming too many can still lead to an imbalance in blood sugar levels, especially if you're not balancing it with other foods. This could be a concern for those managing conditions like diabetes. Digestively speaking, the high fiber content in fruits is excellent for your gut health. However, overdoing it without a balance of other necessary dietary fibers could lead to digestive discomfort, like bloating or excessive gas. Not so pleasant, right? So, while the idea of living off a fruit paradise might sound enticing, it's important to remember that balance is key in any diet. Fruits can absolutely be a major part of your meals, but they're best served alongside a variety of other foods to ensure you're getting a complete range of nutrients. This way, you can enjoy all the benefits without the drawbacks. Before you go transforming your diet, consider consulting with a nutritionist or a healthcare provider. Tailoring a diet that's perfect for your individual health needs is always the best route. So, what do you think? Are you ready to add more fruits to your diet, or maybe just balance them a bit better? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and remember to hit that subscribe button for more health insights and tips. Stay fruity and stay healthy.